I'm Tony Sklar for BNet TV, coming to you live from Mobile Internet World here in Boston, and I am here with Jon Melamut.
Hi, Tony. It's great to be here.
It's nice to see you this morning. And how are you enjoying the conference so far?
Oh, it's really nice. It's really nice. I'm happy that it's in Boston, and it's actually not very far from me.
Far.
Exactly.
Just across the border and into the city.
Right. Exactly.
Right.
Works well.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about Canonical?
Sure. So Canonical is the commercial sponsor behind Ubuntu, which is the leading desktop Linux company. We're actually only about 3 years old, and we have we're the most popular desktop Linux company, and we've also moved into the servers. And we have a new initiative that's really why I'm here, which is working on mobile internet devices. And these are not traditional phones. We're not trying to create software that will replace mobile phone software, but it's really for a new class of devices that will be designed for consumers to carry with them wherever they go and be simple and have a full, rich user experience and internet experience on the go wherever they go.
Well, this conference definitely has been all about not just the mobile side on the phone side of things. We're talking a lot about the internet, the mobile internet, what styles of applications people can run in different areas. We're talking about hotspots, and of course your particular device that you showed when we were off camera that you make the software for is a mobile internet device. And I think that it's really important for people to understand that we're not talking about just phones. We're talking about this overall experience of being out of the office in an enterprise type solution where you can still get what you want from the net and not have to lug around your laptop, which is obviously a bigger instrument, or you don't have to be as dexterous on your small phone when you can't use it to get to certain places.
Yeah, so I guess what I'd like to show you, Tony, if it's okay, so this is a device from a company that we work with, Compal. They're an ODM based in Taiwan. And they make this device, and they'll be bringing it to market through their partners in the spring, and we create the OS here. And this is a device that consumers will be able to take wherever they go, and will have a wide range of connectivity. We'll have connectivity via WiMAX, 3G, as well as Wi-Fi, and obviously things like Bluetooth for other devices, whether it be headphones or keyboards and mice. The key is, though, it's based on an x86 architecture. So the full richness that consumers are used to experiencing today on their desktop PC with regard to web fidelity, they'll be able to get on devices like this. So full support for Flash, you'll be able to run products like Skype on here, and just all Web 2.0 applications, just a full web experience will work on here really nicely.
Okay, you bring up a really good point when you talk about the Web 2.0 experience, and we're talking about the convergence now of bringing that experience back to that mobile handset, or in this case, a mobile device that allows you to have that rich media experience. Any partnerships that you've seen here that you're willing to get into? Obviously, this is a conference where there are a lot of top minds in the industry, and you're coming to market with a device now, or with the software for the device that is more than just what you've got in your hand. It looks like it may have some further applications and some further ability.
There is, but there are...
Or are we just stuck to this type of device?
No, we're not stuck to that. This is actually representative of a class of device. You'll see a whole new class of these devices coming out in the spring and throughout 2008 that are based on our operating system as well as some others out there in the market. I can't really announce any specific partnerships today, but you'll see relationships between the software companies and the hardware companies to create a total user experience. So it's really easy for consumers to acquire content. It's really easy for business professionals to access their back-end data stores. Whatever is possible to be built on a Web 2.0 user experience or via a web interface will be possible on devices like this.
What makes for your holy grail for your company?
A holy grail. I guess one thing that's interesting about our company is all of our software is actually free, and we make it available to any company that wants to do it. And our company is available to help customize that environment for the commercial partners. And
so that's how you monetize your platform?
Correct. We monetize the platform via providing engineering services, support services, and some end-user services as well.
So you've got multi-position within that value chain?
Yes. That's a big word on a Thursday morning.
Well, I really appreciate you taking time and the pleasure to speak with me this morning here at the Mobile Internet World, and I hope that we get a chance to do it again, maybe at CTIA or 3GSM.
That'd be great.
Okay.
I'd love to do that.
Well, I appreciate that. I am here with Jon Melamut. I said that
was
correctly?
very good,
That was good. And I'm Tony Sklar for BNet TV here at Boston at the Mobile Internet World.